Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Me Trades back with another video. You feel me? And it is November 12th. It just hit 9:30. Market just opened, so we're going to get straight to it. We're about to get straight to it. Y'all already know what I do. You feel me? I feel like I should be caught up in things of that nature at this moment, but yes, if not, follow along and I'll explain it somewhat of what I do throughout the video. But yeah, as y'all know, I'm gonna now create my 5 minute high and my 5 minute low also. We're just gonna wait till 9:35. Me 5 minute die. My 5 minute. At least I got it exactly on it. You feel me? Bang! Uh, I don't set anything. To me, be honest, I don't think today is gonna be a trading day. I don't know. Everything just looks so little. Nothing's very strong. So I don't think today is gonna be a trading day, but we still gonna watch out till probably like 10:30, 10:45. Then we'll leave it at that. Then already got a break below our. We already done got a break below. We're continuing that, so yes. I'm gonna just do some testing with this. Okay? I'm gonna do some testing with that. This isn't part of like my real strategy testing, but it is part of my strategy. But I'm testing something. I was gonna leave it out, I'm not gonna lie. I was. I think that was a good answer though. For a fact. Me personally. But we'll see. Only time will tell. That's why I only took it on this trade on here. Cause I don't really care. I'm learning. Uh, so as you can see, it came down and it's going back up. So I'm gonna say it broke. So if it go back up and it retest, um, and it retests this bottom zone, if it retests the zone again, I'm gonna enter on my actual trading. As you can see, it never really touched. It never really touched it when it's at the zone. So this was, you feel me? That's why I said this is test. I'm just testing to see. You feel me? But yeah, if it comes back and it retests in this zone, then I'm gonna enter on my actual trading platform. You feel me? Because that would have been that's an actual trade that would have took because it follows my strategy. So yeah, if it goes back up and it touches the zone, I'm gonna enter on my actual trading platform. But this is just for practice because like I said, it's for this it's for the what do you call it? Little challenge joint. That's all. Here's a good reason why to follow your strat. You see, like we are in profit, right? But as you can tell, it was never strong. The market's pretty weak, I would say, in my opinion. It's choppy. Like I mentioned earlier, it never touched within my zone. It never touched and closed outside of the zone. You feel me? So with that being said, it's just been choppy for on you feel me, other than if would have came down, touched, closed below, we would have been touched this, but you see it never did. And that's all I'm saying. If it came back and hit here, either crossed it, touched it, closed below it, but it came back again and dropped. You feel me? That's it broke and now here's the resistance. You feel me? So it would have to retest that. You feel me? Come back down. Never got that. So even though we're in a profit, you feel me? We're pretty choppy. If it doesn't hit as we like get close to like 10:30, 10:40, if we don't get nothing closer, it's not breaking under, you feel me? Like I said, we start trading at 11 o'clock. So I just closed out where we at. And that was, like I said, it was just a test. And you feel me, what I see was, you feel me, pretty true. So, yo, I just gotta, you feel me, I'm the type of learner that, you feel me, I gotta actually do hands on. I gotta really see, like, be in the predicament to really learn things. So, I'm learning long as how y'all doing the same thing too. Yeah. That low key makes sense too. I'm not looking at it. I don't really get the sign that shows like 2R multiple. I would have been out entered what 9:45. I would have been out about 9:55, 9:57 ish. This realizing before down here was probably like a 3-4 multiple, where this is more. So this is probably like a 1.8, 1.9, 1.7 around this multiple. I'm just not realizing that. Sticking for 2R multiple. I don't know if we're gonna get a sign to get the low, of, you feel me, to catch the low. But yeah, that's why I put it down, because I thought we were gonna, you feel me, jump in, you feel me, touch the low. So that's why I did that. But it ain't doing that. It ain't doing that. So I ain't tripping. Yo. what we say? Hey, at least we got our 2 hour multiple. If I'm not tripping. But you see, chat, like, I'm really starting to read the markets, chat, because I promise you, by the end, I'm about to I can't even move it. It's cool. I'm not even tripping. Oh, by the time I it hit 11, you got 30 more minutes. I promise you, it's gonna hit this line. It's gonna hit this line before these 30 minutes. I'm about to step out. You feel me? I want to trade. At the end of the day, it cool. I want to trade. You feel me? I would have won it earlier, but you feel me? Yeah, I definitely would have hit this. I definitely would have hit that line for a fact, because that's what previous did. So it would have kept dropping. But yeah, I'm more of the story. Before 11 o'clock, I'm gonna keep this up and I'm gonna get a screenshot and I'm gonna send it. When I edit the video, I'm gonna put it up in here. It's gonna touch this line before my trading period, 11 o'clock, and I'm gonna show y'all. Like I'm really getting to understand this. Don't sleep on me. I'm really starting to understand this by the grace of God. But yes, we hit our goal, our 2 hour multiple, somewhere close to that. And yeah, we're gonna take that for a fact. We're gonna take that. And yo, doses. On my real trading, today was not a trading day. It didn't touch the line, it didn't do what it was supposed to do, so we didn't engage furrow. But this is what we looking like today. So yo, nothing too crazy. Slight work. But yo, I'm gonna catch y'all later though.